Hello everyone, and welcome back to Health is Wealth. In this episode, we're going to dive deep into the secrets of achieving a radiant and youthful complexion by learning how to effectively remove dead skin from your face. Dead skin cells can clog pores, lead to dullness, and hinder your skin's natural glow, but fear not. We've got you covered with simple yet powerful techniques to exfoliate your face safely and efficiently. So, let's get started. Here are some effective and gentle methods to do so. Exfoliation. Exfoliation is the process of removing dead skin cells from the surface of your skin. There are two main types of exfoliation: physical and chemical. Physical exfoliation. Use a gentle facial scrub or exfoliating brush to manually slough off dead skin cells. Apply the scrub in gentle circular motions, focusing on areas with more dead skin, but avoid being too harsh to prevent irritation. Chemical exfoliation. This involves using products containing alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, like glycolic acid, or beta-hydroxy acids, BHAs, like salicylic acid. These acids dissolve dead skin cells and help unclog pores. Start with a lower concentration and gradually increase as your skin gets accustomed to it. Facial cleansing brush. An electronic facial cleansing brush can effectively remove dead skin cells when used with a gentle cleanser. Be sure to use it only a few times a week, as excessive use may cause irritation. Steam. Steam your face before exfoliation to open up the pores and soften the dead skin cells. Boil water, pour it into a bowl, let it cool slightly, and then drape a towel over your head while leaning over the bowl to trap the steam. Do this for 5–10 minutes. Chemical peels. Consider getting a professional chemical peel from a dermatologist or licensed esthetician. Chemical peels use stronger acids to remove dead skin cells and reveal fresher skin underneath. Face masks. Some face masks contain ingredients like clay or enzymes that can help remove dead skin cells. Look for masks labeled as exfoliating or brightening. Moisturize. Regularly moisturize your skin to keep it hydrated. Dry skin can lead to an accumulation of dead skin cells, so keeping your skin moisturized can help prevent this. Sunscreen. Always wear sunscreen when going outside to protect your skin from harmful UV rays, which can damage your skin and cause dead skin cell buildup. Avoid over-exfoliation. Exfoliating too frequently or using harsh products can damage your skin and disrupt its natural barrier. Stick to a gentle exfoliation routine, usually 2–3 times a week, or as recommended by your dermatologist. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so it's essential to test new products on a small area of your skin first and listen to your skin's response. If you have sensitive skin or any skin conditions, it's best to consult a dermatologist before starting any new skincare regimen. We hope you found these tips helpful and that you're ready to unveil your radiant, healthy skin. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest skincare and wellness tips. As always, thank you for joining us at Health is Wealth. Your health is our priority.